What if a single song could help a nation remember who it is, after centuries of being told it was nothing? In 1960, Burkina Faso then apervoltagin independence, but freedom wasn't just political. It was cultural, and Georges Ouédraogo heard the call. With a guitar in hand and ancestral rhythms in his blood, he set out to give his people a sound of their own. He didn't just play music, he wove it. Mosi, balafon, metmen, kora, traditional Griot chants, blended with Afro-jazz and Congolese rumba. His voice carried proverbs, history, and pride in more, Dula and French refusing to let colonial languages erase local ones. At a time when new African nations were searching for identity, Ouédraogo became a sonic architect. His songs weren't just hits, they were anthems of unity. He sang of farmers, mothers, warriors, and elders, reminding Burkinabè that their culture was not backward, it was beautiful. On radio waves and village squares, his music stitched together a fractured post-colonial identity. He didn't wait for permission to celebrate African art. He built stages for it, mentored young artists, defended cultural spaces. Long before Afrobeats went global, Ouédraogo knew true power begins when a people love their own story. Georges Ouédraogo didn't just make music, he gave Burkina Faso its voice. And in doing so, he proved that culture isn't a luxury, it's the foundation of a free people. Today, as artists across Africa reclaim their heritage, they walk a path he helped clear. So the next time you hear a Burkinabè rhythm, bold, rooted, unapologetic, remember the man who dared to say, "We are enough, Georges Ouédraogo, the sound of a nation reborn."